Saudi Arabia is a land of vast deserts. These deserts stretch as far as the eye can see, a sea of sand under the scorching sun. For centuries, life here has been a challenge, with limited water and harsh conditions. But Saudi Arabia has a dream of turning these barren lands green. They are exploring innovative ways to combat desertification, a process where fertile land turns into desert. This is not just about creating patches of green, it's about ensuring the future of this nation. The task is daunting, the desert is unforgiving, and the challenges are immense, but the spirit of innovation is strong. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly, exploring new technologies and methods. They are driven by a vision of a greener Saudi Arabia, a land where the desert blooms. This is a story of their endeavors, their struggles, and their hopes for a sustainable future. One of the biggest obstacles in the desert is the scarcity of water. Traditional farming methods require huge amounts of water, a luxury in this arid environment. But scientists have found a surprising solution in the smallest of creatures' microorganisms. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, hold the key to transforming wastewater into a valuable resource. In research facilities, scientists are cultivating these microorganisms, harnessing their power to purify wastewater. The process is ingenious. The microorganisms feed on the pollutants in the wastewater, breaking them down and cleaning the water. What's left is water that can be used for irrigation, breathing life into the thirsty land. But that's not all. The process also produces methane gas, a valuable source of energy that can power the treatment facilities. Turning desert sand into fertile soil might sound like magic, but it's the science that's truly enchanting. The key ingredient? Compost. But not just any compost. This compost is created from chicken manure, rich in the nutrients that plants crave. This nutrient-rich compost is then mixed with the desert sand, transforming its very nature. The compost acts like a magic potion, infusing the sand with life-giving properties. It improves the soil structure, making it better at retaining water. It also provides essential nutrients that plants need to grow. The result is almost miraculous. Barren sand transformed into fertile soil capable of supporting plant life. This transformed soil is then used to create green spaces, parks, and even farms, bringing life to the desert. Section 4. Nurturing innovation. The need for investment. Transforming a desert is not a cheap endeavor. It requires significant financial investment, a commitment to research and development, and the willingness to take risks. The innovative technologies being developed, such as the microorganism-based wastewater treatment and the sand-to-soil conversion, need continuous funding to reach their full potential. This is where the role of investors becomes crucial. Supporting green technology startups, providing them with the financial resources they need, is essential for the success of these ambitious projects. These investments are not just about financial returns. They are about investing in a sustainable future for Saudi Arabia. They are about turning a dream into a reality. Section 5. A balancing act, oil and ecology. Saudi Arabia's economy is heavily reliant on oil, a finite resource. This reliance on fossil fuels presents a unique challenge as the nation strives to become more sustainable. Balancing economic growth with environmental responsibility is a delicate act. The transition to a greener economy will require careful planning and a long-term vision. Investing in renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, is crucial. These clean energy sources can reduce the country's dependence on oil while creating new jobs and industries. The path ahead is clear: embracing innovation, investing in green technologies, and finding a harmonious balance between economic development and environmental stewardship. This is how Saudi Arabia can ensure a prosperous and sustainable future for generations to come.